Hello there. So you want to know how you can use Viber chatbots? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. To use Viber bots, you must first subscribe to one by scanning a QR code or clicking a direct link, which will add the bot to your chats list. However, if you want to create a bot, you must log into the Viber admin panel to create a public account and obtain a unique token for your bot, which is going to be a very lengthy process. So I'm just going to simply go ahead and show you how you can scan and just use a bot immediately. What you want to do is simply go ahead and open your Viber and then head into your more and click on the QR scan icon. Once you've done that, on your computer, simply go ahead and search for ChatGPT powered AI bot. As you can see, it just scanned it. Click on open, and then it's going to simply go ahead and open this right over here. Click on open now, and then it's going to be opened on your chatbot or on your Viber right over here, and then you can simply go ahead and use it to plan your trips, find recipes, learn languages, and many more. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you.